Hello, my name is Tiartar Finlandra. Which is more effective 2D or 3D animation? The effectiveness of 2D and 3D depends heavily on the specific context and purpose, but have distinct advantages and disadvantages. Particularly relates to that issue as pros and cons. The following is an example of this image. Effective of 2D is 3D visualization. The effectiveness of 2D versus 3D visualization is highly dependent on the specific application, the complexity of the text, and the user the task. Simplicity and processing. 2D data issue 2D data only captures length and width, potentially missing crucial depth information required for complex spatial understanding. Pros: speed and efficiency. 2D system allow for rapid processing and are ideal for high speed application due to their inherent simplicity. Cost effectiveness. Development and implementation are generally less costly and time consuming, requiring less specific software and computation power. Quality. For specific text, 2D graphs and maps can be more accurate and faster for text like counting specific data points or writing focus non-evasion question compared to 3D counterparts. Cons: lack of deep inability to represent deep limits application in fields like engineering, design, or medical imaging where spatial relationships are vital. Environmental sensitivity to the mechanics vision can be adversely affect text by lighting and contrast variation. The primary argument for the effective of 2D visualization centers on its superior clarity, simplicity, and accessibility to dimensional graphics present information on a single flat plane, which eliminates the potential for visual clutter or misinterpretation that can arise from complex 3D perspective. This simplicity makes 2D ideal for application requiring rapid information transfer or explicit instructional content such as technical diagrams, cards, and educational material where the focus should be on the core message and rather than the visual wow factor. Furthermore, 2D content is significantly more cost-effective and less demanding on computational resources compared to its 3D counterpart. Production cycles for 2D animation or graphics are typically shorter, requiring less specialized software and technical expertise in areas such as modeling and rigging. Finally, 2D design offers significant benefit in terms of readability and artistic style, because the artist has complete control over every pixel without the constraints of a virtual camera or realistic basic. 2D allow for highly stylized and abstract representation that can effectively convey a brand unique identity or simplify complex concept into distinctively visual metaphors. 3D data should like point clouds from later request significantly more memory and computing power to analyze, and the algorithm involved are more complex. Pros: realism and immersion. Profits: a more complex, lifelike representation with depth, light, and shadow, which is valuable for detailed understanding and spatial understanding studies in education, anatomy, virtual learning, psychology. 3D visualization can improve spatial memory and comprehension of complex structure. Immediately to lighting issue 3D vision systems are less effective by environmental factors like contrast or distance to the objects, offering reliable depth capture. Complexity can be overly complex for simple text, potentially leading to more error or longer analysis time for basic text interpretation compared to optical 2D views. The main argument for 3D effectiveness lies in its capacity for immersion, realism, and detailed simulation. Three-dimensional models provide depth and volume, allowing users to interact with objects and environment in a way that close means real-world experiences. In fields like architecture, engineering, and medical image, this depth perspective is crucial for understanding complex structure. Moreover, 3D visualization significantly enhances engagement and provides a comprehensive understanding of complex datasets. The ability to rotate, zoom, and navigation within a 3D space allows stakeholders and users to again to complete multifaceted look at an object or system for all angles. This interactive exploration fosters a deeper connection with the content, which is highly valuable in product design, film, and video games, where a wow factor and high level of detail are necessary to captive and education. In surgical application, 3D vision a final point for 3D effectiveness is its ability to facilitate better design making and teamwork by managing error in complex projects. By providing measured and shared realistic visualization, 3D models improve communication among all project stakeholders. Higher costs involves greater development cost time and the need for powerful processing and specialized software. Tool learning and compression 2D that might struggle to build dynamic mental models for complex physical process. Pros: the directed for basic info, highly effective for straightforward information transfer, technical documentation, and sample layouts. Accessibility, widely accessibility across various devices without special hardware requirements. Passive learning, the physical, more passive learning expression compared to interactive 3D models. 3D that, while is often preferred, some studies show no significant difference in information recall for simple bar charts, and 3D maps don't always show a clear advantage for all types of questions. Pros: the 3D enjoyment of motivation interactive 3D environment tend to be more engaging and motivation for users, students, encouraging active exploration. Better of complex system, superior for directing agents to relevant competence and improving comprehension of complex system or fluid dynamics through depth processing. Cons: potential overload. The richness of 3D data can sometimes be overwhelming or require more user effort to analyze than 2D for specific sample text. Conclusion: the choice between 2D and 3D should be guided by the specific requirements of the project. 2D excels in simplicity, speed, and cost-effectiveness for basic data, while 3D is more effective for realizing complex spatial analysis and user engagement learning. Here is an overview of recent development in both 2D and 3D technologies. 2D development. Recent advancements in 2D animation and design are largely driven by software efficiency and interaction with AI. AI assistant tools, the integration of artificial intelligence in foundation software is algorithm of AI can use automatically factories image, generate complex patterns, and even automate basic character rigging for 2D animation, significantly reducing project time. Vector graphics standards, the widespread adoption and optimization of web assembly works and scalable vector graphics in modern web browser ensure smooth, high-performance 2D rendering on the web. Regardless of screen resolution, interactive web experience development are pushing the boundaries of 2D on the web, using frameworks like Pixie and Canvas API, creating highly sophisticated real-time interactive experiences and text visualization that run seamlessly in browser. 3D development. The 3D industry is evolving rapidly, focusing on realism, accessibility, and new mediums of interaction. Real-time ray tracing. This is arguably the most significant recent development. Graphic processing unit GPU are new capable of rendering realistic lighting, reflection, and shadow in real time, blurring the lines between pre-rendered cinematic visual and interactive video game graphics. Virtual reality VR on augmented reality AR 3D context in the backbone of the burgeoning metaverse and immersive technologies. The push for more comfortable and higher resolution VR headset is driving demand for efficient, high-fidelity 3D asset creating pipelines, photogrammetry, and LiDAR. The process of creating accurate 3D models of real-world objects and environments has become more accessible, leveraging LiDAR scanner in modern smartphones allow users to quickly capture and delete physical space into functional 3D. That's procedural generation in game development. Procedural context generation (PCG) as algorithm to create vast detailed 3D landscape and asset automatically rather than having artists model every single tree or rock behind. Thanks.